States may shut my office out, but they will not shut us up. Neither will they blind us. If access is refused, we will assume the worst and yet do our utmost to nonetheless report as accurately as we can on serious allegations. Our remote monitoring is likely to involve witness testimony, credible third-party reports, and use of satellite imagery, among other techniques. Human rights violations will not disappear if a government blocks access to international observers and then invests in a public relations campaign to offset any unwanted publicity. On the contrary, efforts to duck or refuse legitimate scrutiny raise an obvious question. What precisely are you hiding from us?
Lost, no time to analyze cost, because they radicalize, categorize and criminalize us with no authority to trust, and our freedoms in flux, just living meager and even, working from season to season, bleeding. Why is my wallet bleeding? Why are MPs so greedy? From meeting to meeting and